Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Yahoo emails. Now, in order for us to get this done, I've deleted a couple of emails earlier, and the way to do that or to recover those is by heading over to the trash icon right here. Now, you should be able to see here all of the emails that you have deleted. Now, say for example, this one, I can go ahead and click this one right here, and then choose this in order to restore this one to the selected or to the inbox. Now, once you've done that one, you should be able to see this back in your inbox, just like so. But this is only applicable if you have not emptied your trash. So if, for example, I do this one, click this, and you can see there's no more messages here. In that situation, you won't be able to recover that anymore because it's going to be deleted in your trash as well. So if I click, for example, the trash icon again, you can see that there's no email here. So yeah, that's how you're going to recover deleted Yahoo emails.